Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect wireless mouse to your laptop or PC. So this is my wireless mouse. So first you need to open this and make sure that it have the battery. So as you can see that my mouse have a battery. Then you need to close this and then you need to take out this little dongle that is inside the mouse, and you need to connect this with your. Here you can see that it is used to connect with your USB port, and you need make sure that you connect this with your laptop or PC. So I'm going to connect this, and after that I'm going to show you on the screen that how it will perform. So make sure you connect, and here you listen a voice because it is now connected. And now here you can see that it is working fine, and you can use this without any issue. But sometimes some mouse have a button here, so you need to click on that button to do, but on my mouse there is no button. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. Thank you.